From the campus of Higgsfield Research, scientists today unveiled a machine they say can picture anything the mind is able to describe. The Sora 2 model, a room full of humming circuits and spinning tape, converts words into moving pictures on a screen.
So, no more waiting lists?
Nope. Sora's wide open now, no invite code, nothing.
For real? Anybody can just sign up?
Yep, unlimited generations, no caps, right out of the gate.
That's huge.
Higgsfield just dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro globally with no invite code, unlimited, uncensored. You can access it right now. But first, a quick message from our sponsor.
By the crown, that's good. One bite and I'm a happier man. You should try this. Try the Whopper.
Burger King didn't actually sponsor me. That entire video was made on Higgsfield using Sora 2 Pro. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Sora 2 Pro right now without any invite code. As always, I'll have a link in the description below, but you want to go to Higgsfield.ai. In the top right, you want to sign up if you don't have an account. For me, I have an account. I'm just going to hit log in. When you log in, you're going to go to video and you're going to see it's like highlighted new. You can see Sora 2 right here. They do have like all the other models that you'd want to probably play around with, like Kling 2.5, VO3, Minimax, WAN, so on and so forth. But Sora 2 is brand new. And like I mentioned, you can access this unlimited without an invite code. So you can go here on the left side. We can upload an image and it says human faces are not available for upload. We can add in a prompt with whatever we want our scene to do. And then we can select our model. So we can pick Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. And you're going to see here, I can actually turn on unlimited mode and it says generate unlimited. So we can click that and it will just start generating whatever we want. And now we have some options. So we can actually change the duration from like 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. We can change the resolution from 720p to 820p. But just to note, if you do that, you don't get the unlimited mode. So you're going to be using credits. We can go back to 720p. We can select the aspect ratio, and that's pretty much all the options. All right, so we have giant geese battling Vikings, and we have our model all selected. We can hit generate. It's going to load the generation here. You can see it in queue. In the meantime, I just want to show you like some of the ones I did generate through here. So we have like this one, which is a speed reader added to the Olympics, and she's just kind of speed reading through.
Unbelievable! The champion finished in just 15 minutes!
I mean, she is speed reading. Can't deny her that. We have this one here, which is ring footage of a cat getting blown away to the sky in heavy wind. Okay, listen. The funny part is the cat's in the air. Look, watch. So it's in the air, it's gone, it's really far away. And now you hear the meow, the cry. Okay. We also have this example here where I've uploaded the Franklin Robotics logo. So this is a new YouTube channel I'm working on. Don't have a lot of content on there just yet. I'm just waiting for my humanoid to ship. That'll be a lot of fun. But this is the Franklin Robotics logo, and I said, hey, can you make the robot come alive as with like using the F and the R within the logo and make it transform? So we have this example here.
Friendly robot, ready for action.
I love that. Another variant of it as well.
Hello there, ready to roll.
Which version do you like? Let me know in the comments below, the first one or the second one. Then of course we have some of those stuff I used for the introduction. I was playing around with like this hamster talking to his carrot about Sora 2 Pro.
Check this out, Carrot Buddy. I'm clocking serious laps tonight. Oh, and guess what? Sora 2 Pro just dropped. Yeah! It adds multi-scene reasoning and this crazy advanced narrative coherence thing. I mean, stories...
Alright, it's pretty cool. And then as we scroll down, we get into my not sponsors, the Burger King. But you know who does support me? Watermelon.
If you like to smile as big as the sky and you want more joy to roll on by, tap that button, give it a ring, subscribe to Franklin, hear him sing, videos sweet and full of fun.
Everyone I know right now is begging for Sora, and I have invite codes I've been sending out in my weekly newsletter, so subscribe, there's a link down below. But if you want to access it right now, Higgsfield is the answer. Now, there is one catch. In order to access the unlimited, we need either an ultimate or a creator's account. So if you go by monthly, it's like $49 for the 1 month. That will give you literally unlimited access to Sora 2 with no limitations for 1 week. And then after the week, you're still getting 1,200 credits that you can use to generate more Sora or whatever other model you want, and they have a lot. I know we're going to have some angry comments because they're going to say, hey, it's not free. You said it's free. I said it was unlimited. But in terms of like cost, it actually is pretty reasonable for unlimited for a week, plus your credits on top. So just by comparison, we have the pricing from VO3 and you can see what they charge. So if you want video plus audio generation, you're looking at 40 cents per second. Even if you're going with just like the fast version here, which is like the scaled down cheaper version, you're still looking at 15 cents per second. Just by comparison, that is 25 10-second clips from VO3 is equivalent to what you're going to get for unlimited for 1 week from Higgsfield. Let me show you a couple of other really cool clips that were created on Higgsfield.
When electricity meets emotion, every drive becomes something more. From mountain switchbacks to city streets, power flows instantly, silently, relentlessly.
God's push for the king! Fox, right now!
Copy, I'm in.
Let's go! Higher gun up!
I have a code in the description below you guys can use. You get 10% off. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Oh yeah, here's another watermelon generation real quick.
Click that bell and let it ring. Join the fun, it doesn't cost a thing. Franklin's video sweet like me, so subscribe and see what we see. Hit that button, make it red, turn gray. You'll get joy and juice each day.
Honestly, I think the watermelon should just do the entire outro. All right, see you tomorrow.